followed Speed's all the lectures, and especially the crash course which is present in Speed. The four notes of crash course, I revised it again and again. 5 to 6 times I had seen those notes again and again. And MCQs also I had practiced. GTs I had given repeatedly.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Senjuti Sengupta for scoring a topmost rank of CML 1 and AML 2 in DM Infectious Disease Super Speciality. Congratulations to you,
Thank
Doctor.
you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Great and amazing. That a wonderful accomplishment, and you made proud all of us. And can
Thank you,
we
sir.
know your brief background from where you started till date, what all you have done?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have done my MBBS from Arjikar Medical College, Kolkata. And I did my specialty in MD Microbiology, King George Medical University, Lucknow. And currently I am a senior resident at Chandauli.
Very nice, very nice. Great, great achievements. And very, very happy that you want to pursue a DM infectious disease. Can we know why DM infectious disease?
So actually, when I was at Arjikar Medical College, we had posting at infectious disease department. And at that time only, I had interest in infectious disease. And so I had taken microbiology. And when I was doing my residentship, continuously I had this thing that infection with, like dealing with microbiology is fine. I want to get closer to the patients so that I can cater them. And so I had that interest. So DM infectious disease.
Very good, excellent, great. Now, can we know the secret behind your success to get this topmost rank? What did you do? What was your working strategy, preparation strategy? Can you share something on that?
So Harrison infectious disease, its tables and charts and images, those were very important for me. And I had followed Speed's all the lectures, and especially the crash course which is present in Speed. The four notes of crash course, I revised it again and again. And about 5 to 6 times I had seen those notes again and again. And MCQs also I had practiced. GTs I had given repeatedly.
So that helped you and made you a difference in this exam?
Yes, sir.
So, okay, excellent. Now, how many questions you are able to attend this exam?
So out of 80 questions, I attended 79, sir.
Very nice, excellent. Doctor, can you tell us what is the crux? That means to get a topmost rank, what was your mental strategy in mindset? I mean, did you work towards a topmost rank of 1, or it happened because of your hard work? I mean, how it worked that way?
So first of all, whichever super specialization we are about to take, we need to have interest in that super specialization. And so secondly, I think that the core concepts of the subject, like core concepts, like basic things of medicine and microbiology, and also about infectious disease, that helped me getting this rank. And so I had never worked for like topmost rank or anything. I just wanted to do my infectious diseases. So
So it
this way
happened.
only. So yes,
It
sir. It
happened.
just happened.
So it was a
Yes, sir.
surprise to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how many seats are there for infectious disease?
The total there are 13 seats, 6 seats at AIMS Delhi, and 2 seats at Jodhpur, 2 at Bhopal, and 1 at Rishikesh.
Excellent. So you'll be heading towards AIMS Delhi?
Yes, sir.
Congratulations to you once again for that.
Thank you, sir.
And what is the message that you want to give for the future aspirants of DM infectious disease?
So the message which I would like to give that build your concepts. First of all, build your concepts and go to your wards or duties and see your cases. And if you are from a microbiology background, then take interest out of yourself and go to the ward, see your cases. And it is a long run. Like it will not happen in few months. You have to do it from the very beginning, like slowly, slowly. This is a long-term thing. This is the message I would like to give.
Great, doctor. Excellent. Now, time to thank and whom all you wish that you want to thank them. They help you in a career from day one till date.
So, first of all, I would like to thank God. I would like to thank my parents parents, and all my teachers, like from my MBBS time and MD time, and all my guides I have got as my guide during my preparation phase, and especially some of my friends who have been a great support to me, some of my batchmates. I would like to thank them also.
Very nice. Great, doctor. We wish you all the very best and all the success for an amazing and wonderful career in DM infectious diseases with super specialty. Best wishes to you, doctor.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.